You will hear a conversation between a job seeker and a hiring manager at a restaurant discussing a job opportunity. You have 30 seconds to read questions 1 to 5.
Good morning. I'm Lisa from Bella's Bistro. You applied for a job here at our restaurant, correct? Yes, that's right. I'm interested in the position of a waiter. Great. Could you please confirm your surname? Certainly, it's Thompson. Got it. And could you spell your first name for me? Sure, it's Jack. Thank you, Jack. What was your most recent employment? I worked as a bar assistant in a local pub. Okay, can you tell me which days you are available to work? I am available from Monday through Thursday.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
Now, regarding salary, what hourly rate are you expecting? I was hoping for around $15 per hour. And could you provide me with a contact number? Yes, it's 555-6432. Thanks, Jack. If successful, when could you start? I am available to start on the 1st of May. Perfect. Our shifts typically run from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Would those hours suit you? Yes, those hours would work well for me. Great to hear. Lastly, can I schedule you for an interview next Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday works fine.
That is the end of part 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Hey there, did you get them all right? Smash the like button and subscribe for more daily IELTS tests.